Welcome dear students to another part of our class. Standard 5th, Subject Maths, Chapter 2nd, Shapes and Angle. In previous parts, we have learned about shape and then we have learned about angle. Now, we will learn here time and angle. First question is, what kind of angle is made by the hand of these times? Okay, there are some clocks showing the time, so we have to tell about what kind of angle is made by the hands of the clock. Firstly, look at this. We know very well when L shape made. When L shape made is called right angle. Okay, and this make here 90-degree angle. Okay, if this make less angle, so this is called less than right angle, and when it make greater than right, so this is called more than right angle. I explained you in previous parts, so we will start from here. Look at this. Short hand is in 7 and big hand is in 5. If I want to make L, so 1, 2 and 3. Three quarters we need, or 3 sections we need. Then I make here a right angle. Okay, less than 3 sectors, we can say that this is less than. So look at here, 1 and 2. How many sectors are there? 2. So we can say that this is less than right angle. Okay, next one. How many quarters are how many sectors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is more than 3. If we have 3, we can simply say that this is right angle. Here we have more than 5. So this is more than right angle. Look at here. Here angle is this. Here angle is this, and here this. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sectors are there? There are 5 sectors. So this is also more than right angle. Okay. Now here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So look at here, there are 6 sectors which is more than 3. So we can say that more than right angle. Okay, now come to next. Angle made here. How many sectors? 1 and 2. There are only 2 sectors. So simply we can say that 2 sectors are less than 3. That's why this is less than right angle. Student, you also write the times of these clocks which you learnt in your previous classes from standard 3rd and 4th. Okay. Now next one is, which is less than a right angle. Okay. The angles are made here, which is less than. We have to find and also write the time. Look at here. As I explained you, 1 and 2. There are how many sectors? There are 2 sectors. So we can say less than right angle. Okay. And the time is, this short hand of clock shows hour and this long hand of clock shows minute. Okay, So this short hand of clock shows 12 and the long head shows this is 5 minutes and this is 5. So add both, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, this is the time of this clock. The next one is, look it here. This is also less than because there have only 2 sectors. Less than right angle. Okay, so time is, firstly look at the R hand of the clock. This is the R hand of the clock is 8 and then we count minute hand of the clock 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So there is 8, 30. Next and last. Look at here. The short hand of the clock is start from here 1 and 2. How many sectors are there? There are also 2 sectors. So right here less than right angle. This is also less than right angle. And the time is, look at here. This is short hand of the clock which shows 10. 10. Okay. And the long hand of the clock is for 12. When we go or move to taking one round, then we can say that time is 1 hour complete. So there is 1 hour complete by the minute clock or minute hand. So we can say that there is 10 o'clock. Okay. Now we will move to the activity to understand this very well. Page number 31, activity making a degree clock. Okay, so cut a circle out of paper. I have also a circle which I have already cut. Look at here. This is a circle. Then fold it into half. When it says fold it into half, then I fold this. Look at here. This become half and then fold it again by half. So I made, this is called quarter. Okay, and then again half of the quarter. Again half of the quarter means this. Okay, you have to look this safe in your textbook too. Okay, now press this and open it. So there are simply some lines. Simply some lines. Now take some papers and draw the hands of the clock. So I have also hands of the clock. This is first and hand of the clock. I pin up this by a pin. Okay. Then this one hand of the clock, when I set in any one of the sector, half of the quarter or the sector, this shows the 0 angle. Okay, only one hand is there. So we can say that this is 0 angle. Okay, then take another hand of the clock and fix this here. So I have fixed this. Look at here. Okay, first one is in 0 and second one is in, okay, look at here. Both are making L shape. Both are making, both hands making L shape. And you know very well L shape is called 90-degree angle, which is right angle. Okay, so this is a right angle. Okay students, with the hands of this clock, if we want to make less than angle, so we move this hand of right hand side. Okay, I move this clock, our clock, in right hand side. So this is 45-degree angle. We can simply say that this is half of right angle. Okay, half of right angle. So any angle which is more than 0 and less than 90, okay, are acute angles. We can simply say less than angles. Okay, if I want to greater angles, so the our clock goes to the above 90. Okay, you know very well this is L shape. So when we move left hand side, okay, when we move left hand side, it makes more than angles, okay, which is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so this is or anywhere else where less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree are called the more than angles of right angle. Okay, I hope you understand. If I push this here and make a straight line, okay, so this is called 180 degree angle. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is an activity you have to try at your home and enjoy it. Now there are some questions, we have to solve this. One half of a right angle Okay, so this is 1/2. So we write 1/2 and right angle is 90 degree. And when you divide 90 degree by 90 by 2, you get 45 degree. Okay. Similarly, 1/3 of right angle. So write 1/3 and then right angle means 90 degree. And when you divide 90 degree by 3, you get 30. Okay, then 2 times a right angle. So what should we do? We multiply 2 by right angle means 90. So what we get? 9 2 ja 80 and 0 is there. So there is 180 degree. Students, I hope you understand well. There is activity making a degree clock, page number 31. Try to solve this and enjoy this. Till then, some questions are there which I solved here. You have to try also this. Okay, so this is the end of our session today. We shall continue our class in next part of the video. Okay, bye bye.